Welcome to How Do You Love Family Edition. The boys wanted to make bolillo on their own, and here they are.
Bolillo.
Yeah. And we're not dead, so
Isaac, no, you ruined it. Isaac, you ruined it. Okay, let's just go. Go ahead. Okay, what do we need to do?
Fast acting and original acting. Dry yeast. This is what we're doing too, so.
I'm gonna add 1 and 1 cups of water. Some of it's spilt, so it's warm water.
And also put the entire bag in. Just, and then also do the same for this bag. Pour the entire thing in.
Yummy.
Next we're going to mix it.
Sorry.
So it looks like a liquid.
I think
Let's see what it's supposed to be.
Sure. Oh, that's what. Cool, there's no bubbles. Just use my face. Okay. It's 3 3/4 cups. Okay, so we're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of salt in it.
1.5 teaspoons of salt.
We're gonna let this sit for 5-10 minutes. We'll see you back probably like 8 minutes.
And what's gonna happen next right about now.
In between, we regularly had to take breaks to talk things through so that we can work and collaborate as a team.
In a different way. We don't have to both do the same thing every time.
Next, we're going to. Boy, get over it.
What?
This is what cooking looks like in my house when the boys are in the kitchen, filled with lots of fun and joy.
Okay, we can't cook together if we can't get our life right.
Next, we're going to add the egg. And we add
I'm gonna add this yeast and sugar. Ice cream for the please. Pour in.
Somebody needs to be kneading that way.
Then now we're gonna knead it for a while. Okay, knead it?
Yeah.
Thank you. We're gonna knead it till it's like doughy. Kneading this dough until it's the dough. It's not dough yet, it's more like, which is an interesting substance.
Well, your hands are stuck like this, kid. More.
You don't need, Isaac, you don't need a quote.
More.
Isaac, you don't need a quote, huh?
There's a what we just talked about.
Okay, Isaac, you don't need to pour the entire flour on there. My goodness.
Can I try now?
Wait, yes, let me
Give them half if you want to keep kneading, so.
Oh yeah, we're both need it. Perfect.
And
now
then
we're
I
going
need
to
you
eat
to
the
grab
dough.
this.
It feels
Like,
so
we'll
weird
come
from
together,
my
don't touch the flour.
perspective.
Yeah.
Isaac, stop eating the dough. We're not gonna have any left.
Isaac, first of all, is the dough good?
Okay, we added some oil. Keep the dough kind of.
And of course, there's different ways to knead dough.
Okay, we're gonna make 4 equal parts. So I'm just spread it out more.
Here's Isaac secretly eating the dough again.
Wait, halfway point again. Then this
Honestly, the boys asked me if they could cook on their own more regularly, and it really warmed my heart. I didn't really realize the impact that I was having on them. Sometimes I feel like I need to do more as a mom, but I'm so grateful that I'm able to influence them when it comes to the kitchen in such a positive way.
I'm willing to eat over.
Why won't this stick?
Next.
Stay together. It's connecting, kind of. Very slowly.
Isaac, can you do all the other balls? Why are you slapping the life out of that one?
Because
Okay, let me redo this one again. It's like
slap the life out of it like this.
I don't like it.
Like this? Okay, it's perfect.
Oh, should we make it a line on top? We have two. Okay. I just realized how dirty our shirts are. This is great, yeah.
Yeah, but don't worry, they can still see my Christian shirt to rejoice now to Jesus Christ. It's never too late.
I'm gonna make my bolillo however I think it should be made. So I think this is a good shape of a bolillo, see? And
But
so,
I don't.
and so then we have to put them on the platter. Once you're done with your bolillo, you put it on the platter and then we let it rise. We cover it and let it rise. Perfect.
So far, we're
You
doing
want to
good.
space it out.
Are we doing a good job?
You're doing a great job. So proud of you guys.
No, you can't. You
Why
can't
do
slap
you
it.
want to be violent with the dough?
Why are you so violent to me?
Hazel's bolillos are fatter than yours.
Hey, so can I?
So
Wait.
let me show you the
We're
thing.
getting one.
This is mine. This is mine. This is mine. This is mine. These are his. They're small.
Oh,
They're
one more.
They're
One more,
baby.
one more,
They're
one
baby bolillos.
And this is also mine.
They're this big. You ate all of it. I didn't peer pressured in my own home.
What do you think? Do you like it?
Pretty good.
Here's the before and after of when I put them in the oven. I thought they turned out great. The boys said that they wished that it would have been a little bit more hollow, that it had a lot of bread substance in between. If you're interested in the recipe, comment below and we'll share the recipe.